What's the meaning of activism? Activism. 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 Activism refers to the effort to promote or bring about social, political, or environmental change. It is the act of advocating for a cause or taking action to address a problem or issue. Activism can take many forms, such as peaceful demonstrations, petitions, boycotts, and civil disobedience. The results of activism can vary depending on the goals of the movement and the methods used. In some cases, activism can lead to significant progress towards achieving the desired change, such as the civil rights movement in the United States. In other cases, activism may result in more limited gains or even backlash from those who oppose the movement. Overall, activism serves as an important tool for individuals and groups to voice their concerns and push for positive change in society.